How much of your time each week is consumed on email, in meetings and phone calls, reacting to instant messages, or working with team members across projects? Most of us spend 85% or more of our work time on these collaborative activities, and this was pre-pandemic. We know that number has gone up 5 to 8 hours a week, with our collaborations drifting earlier into the morning and deeper into the night. So let me ask you a question. What would your life be like if you were able to buy back 18 to 24% of this time? Beyond Collaboration Overload describes almost 2 decades of research I've done studying successful men and women, those that are exceptional performers and also scoring higher on measures of health, happiness, and overall well-being. I learned 2 critical lessons through this journey. First, big networks do not distinguish successful people, but efficient ones do. The successful women and men I studied gained nearly a full day of their time back each week by being much more efficient in their collaboration than most of us. Beyond Collaboration Overload outlines how you can do this by challenging beliefs and a tendency we all have to jump into collaborative work too quickly, imposing structure that helps shield us from unnecessary collaborations, and adapting behaviors to streamline from the myriad interactions we're in each day. Second, the book shows how these successful people use this freed up time to increase both performance and well-being. They do this by nurturing and leveraging broad networks for innovation, energizing interactions around them for scale, and intentionally connecting in ways that yield growth, purpose, and resilience in life. Beyond Collaboration Overload provides a roadmap for people looking to break their work addiction, succeed, and thrive in today's hyper-connected world.